What's going on, y'all? It's your boy Stock Holiday, right back at you again with the latest and the greatest in these cryptocurrency markets. And then do your boy a quick favor and hit that like button. And then do me one more favor and hit that subscribe button. I'm back at home base. I'm back at the headquarters. Vacation is over. We went to Southern California, had a great time, visited some great people talking about the financial services opportunity, outstanding performance, outstanding showing for folks who showed interest. So I will be bringing you more information on that. But today we will be talking about how to dominate the cryptocurrency bull market. What's going on right now in the cryptocurrency market? We know we have been seeing some extra volatility inside the cryptocurrency market in the financial institutions around the world, not just crypto. So we will be talking about that on this video today. But first, let's go ahead and take care of a little bit of housekeeping. Currently right now, Bitcoin is $55,950. Bitcoin is making a recovery. By the time this video is released, who knows, Bitcoin may be 56,000, maybe 57,000. The Fear and Greed Index for cryptocurrency for Bitcoin is 32. It's right back down low because we did see that little bit of a crash that we will be talking about. The Bitcoin dominance have increased. The Bitcoin dominance is 55.8. It's almost at 56%. Now, you know, we've been talking about that Bitcoin dominance for months. We've been saying that Bitcoin dominance, we're looking for it to hit 59.60. So we will be watching that very close. As the Bitcoin dominance increase, that means the altcoins are getting sucked dry, which is exactly what's going on. But we will see those numbers start to turn around and the Bitcoin dominance will start to get lowered once the altcoins pressure starts to increase. Ethereum dominance right now is a little bit low. Ethereum is trading right now 2,500 bucks. Ethereum dominance is 15.3. A few weeks ago, maybe about a month ago, we saw the Ethereum dominance almost at 18%. So things are starting to shift. Things are starting to change. That's why these indicators are very important to watch. Now, we know a few days ago, yesterday, Bitcoin dipped down to $49,000. Massive dip. A lot of panic was brought into the market. Once again, folks were already on the edge because we, a few weeks ago, about a month ago, we just went through a major correction. Bitcoin went from 70,000, dipped down to $53,000. That brought the Fear and Greed Index back down to 29 to the low 30s. Now, most recently, when we thought we were heading up and getting ready to surpass $70,000, here we go again. Some more volatility. Bitcoin starting to tank again. Got down to $49,000. Folks panicking. My phone blowing up. My inbox blowing up. Emails. Coach, what's going on? Should we be selling? A lot of questions. A lot of fear. A lot of uncertainty. A lot of doubt. But my folks over there in the Patreon, I love how they reacted it. They stood 10 toes down and they said, Coach, guess what? I'm buying this. Coach, guess what? I'm buying that. And that is how you dominate a doggone cryptocurrency bull market. Now, this is one of the guys also in the Patreon mentioned. He said, Coach, you know what? Is this a reoccurring Black Swan event? Is what happened? We had a Black Swan event in 2020. Now in 2024, the year of the Bitcoin halving again, is this another Black Swan event? Will we be having a Black Swan event every 4 years? That's something to think about. You know, that's how charts are read. That's how cycles are read. That's how things are predicted. That's just something to have in the back of your mind. Is that what's happening? Well, we know right now the global markets is in panic. A lot of major fear all throughout the world, not just in the United States, not just in cryptocurrency, not just in the stock market, but the entire global market is getting ripped. Panic is amongst us. We know the Middle East still having a little bit of missile wars, missile launching, threats of wars, and so forth and so on. We know the Japanese market just seen a total collapse. Possible can be characterized as a Black Swan event for the entire global market to be shifted as it has over the past few days. And this is exactly what happened in 2020. A Black Swan event, something unexpected, something suddenly happened that shakes up the entire global economy. Exactly what happened in 2020. the previous Bitcoin cycle happened. In 2020, Bitcoin started off January 2020, $10,000. COVID kicked in, the world locked down, COVID-19 pandemic, world scare, economic collapse once again. In March 2020, Bitcoin collapsed to $5,000. It started off the year 2020 at 10,000. It collapsed all the way down to $5,000 in March of 2020. A lot of folks did the same thing that they're doing today in the 2024 Black Swan event. A lot of fear, a lot of uncertainty, a lot of doubt. Coach, should I be selling? What should I be doing? Follow the charts, like I always say. Go back and look at the previous cycles, and that will kind of give you an indicator of what you should be doing. In 2020, when COVID hit and everything tanked, you see the right thing that the ones who won were the ones who were aggressive, the ones who were not fearful. Like I say, when folks are fearful, you kind of need to have your antennas up and you kind of need to be in aggressive mode. So those who were aggressive in 2020 March, when COVID hit, Bitcoin went down to 5,000, stock market went down. Folks who took advantage of those low prices were the ones who succeeded. So we're experiencing the same thing at this particular moment. So could do the same thing those folks did 4 years ago. Bitcoin down $49,000, dollar cost average in. Get some skin in the game. All these doggone altcoins are down. Get some skin in the game. At the end of December 2020, Bitcoin was at $23,000. It recovered it did a 4X from the COVID Black Swan dip. So now the new 2024 Black Swan dip, $49,000. Where in the heck will Bitcoin be in December 2024? Always go back, look at your previous cycles. January 2020, Bitcoin was at $10,000. The Black Swan COVID hit, Bitcoin dipped down to $5,000. At the end of the year, December 2020, Bitcoin was at $23,000. That is huge. You guys need to pay attention to that. Where in the heck will Bitcoin be in December 2024 after going through its most recent Black Swan correction, dipping down to $49,000? That is something that we will be talking about in December. We're going to pull this video back out the archives and talk about exactly where Bitcoin is in December 2024. So that's just something for you guys to keep in the back of your mind. That's just something for you guys to think about when these doggone altcoins are beat down right now. Massive opportunities. Like altcoins were reset. These things are down to the bottom of 2024. All the altcoins are beat down. The lowest that they have been at any time in 2024, it seems like. Most of your altcoins are on sale, and you can dollar cost average in. If there's an altcoin that you have been looking at for months and months that you have been liking, this is the perfect opportunity for you to get some skin in the game on these altcoins. I'm trying to get more dry powder from here, trying to get more dry powder from there. I'm just loading the boat because this is an opportune time like never before. Well, I won't say like never before. This is an opportune time like March 2020 when COVID-19 hit and Bitcoin went from $10,000 and dipped down to $5,000. Then at the end of the year, Bitcoin was at $20,000. We know cryptocurrency is volatile. Bitcoin is volatile. This thing can run up and run down, 80% down, 80% up, another 80% before you know it. Bitcoin, we are in a bull market. A lot of folks are saying, are we still in a bull market? Man, we are in a bull market, just as we were in a bull market in 2020. These charts don't lie. These charts continue to go like they have been all the other previous cycles. It's just us that like to make things more difficult. Follow the charts. Take what the charts are showing you. Take what the market is showing you. Don't try to overthink it. Don't try to be the smartest in the room. Take what the charts are showing you and follow the doggone fundamentals, and you will be successful. That is how you dominate the doggone cryptocurrency bull market. If you follow those doggone steps, you will be successful come 2025. You'll look back at days like today when your stomach was hurting, your account was beat down, you started to question this, you started to question that. You'll look back on days like this and you'll breathe, you'll take a big sigh of relief, and you'll be like, whew, I'm glad I dollar cost average in. I'm glad I wasn't fearful. I'm glad I didn't have uncertainty and doubt because I was doing my research. I was studying the charts. I was understanding that these things are normal. Corrections will happen during a bull market. This was a 30% correction that we just experienced. The correction before that was 26% correction, and that was just about a month and a half ago. So these were really close corrections that happened kind of like back to back. So we're going to see where Bitcoin will push off past this. I'm expecting a macro uptrend line to start forming. We already see Bitcoin what was 49,000. Now we're probably at 56,000. So altcoins are getting ready to start recovering, getting ready to start turning over to the positive, to the green. So those who bought the dip, now that money that you just put into the market, you're getting ready to be in profit. So this is how you dominate a doggone bull market. When the market dipped, when that black swan event happened, that's excitement. You pop that doggone champagne bottle and you start the dollar cost averaging, get that dry powder from the side and continue to dominate this doggone bull market. Come on over there, join us in the Patreon. We would love to see you over there. And we have a great community of like-minded folks who love to talk about cryptocurrency every day. It's a great time to be in the cryptocurrency community, especially when black swan events, so forth, happens like it did over the past few days. You could go into the rooms, you can talk to the various folks who are in crypto, pick their mind, ask them what they think, you tell them what you think, you guys bounce ideas off each other. This is a invaluable resource, invaluable community. Click the link down below. We would love to see you over there in the Patreon. But like I say, I just come to y'all every day just to continue to give y'all that good encouragement. Coming to y'all every day to give y'all that good motivation. And that's all I got for you on this one. It's your boy Stock Holiday, and I'm out.